Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials ready: Jio Fiber online, a signed and YouTube account, and a payment method. First, connect your device to the Jio Fiber Wi-Fi so traffic routes correctly. Open the YouTube app or web page and sign in. Once done, tap your profile and go to Get YouTube Premium to view plans. Make sure your account region matches the pricing shown, because plan availability changes by region. Start with the plan that matches how many devices you need, and proceed to subscribe. Now you choose and pay. Pick individual, family, or student based on how many people will use premium. Once selected, choose a payment method, UPI, card, or Google Play balance, and complete any required 3D Secure or OTP steps. This prevents later billing errors. If a free trial appears, opt in to test features like background play and downloads. You should also check for Jio or Google promotions that may reduce cost. After payment, wait for confirmation before adjusting settings. Finish by confirming the subscription receipt in your YouTube account and verifying premium features. Enable downloads and background play in settings so offline and background playback work on Jio Fiber. Sign into the same account on other devices to sync benefits immediately. If anything goes wrong, troubleshoot. Clear app cache or browser data, try the purchase in an incognito window, or use a different payment method. If problems persist, contact Jio Fiber support or Google support with your transaction ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.